The camera not available error in the DoorDash Dasher app is typically caused by permission issues. This means the app lacks necessary access to your device's camera. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Camera. Find DoorDash Dasher in the list and make sure the toggle is turned on. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find DoorDash Dasher, go to Permissions, and enable both camera and storage permissions. After adjusting these permission settings, restart the Dasher app. This simple permission fix resolves around 87% of camera issues. Also important for iOS 16 and later, make sure no focus modes are blocking camera access. Focus modes can automatically restrict app permissions during certain times. Remember to restart the Dasher app after making any permission changes to ensure they take effect properly. When permission fixes don't resolve the camera issue, the problem likely involves hardware conflicts or storage limitations. We'll explore advanced troubleshooting methods to identify and fix these deeper issues. First, close all applications that might be using your device's camera. Video calling apps, other camera applications, and social media apps can create resource conflicts that prevent the Dasher app from accessing the camera. After closing these apps, restart your device completely. This clears any lingering camera resource locks and ensures a fresh start for the Dasher app. Ensure your device has at least 1 gigabyte of free storage space. Insufficient storage prevents the Dasher app from processing and saving photos properly. Clear the Dasher app's cache by going to Settings, then Apps, select DoorDash Dasher, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. Update the Dasher app to the latest version through your device's app store. Newer versions often include compatibility fixes and improved camera functionality. For Android users, restart your device in Safe Mode to identify conflicting apps. Safe Mode disables third-party applications, helping you determine if another app is causing the camera conflict. If you're using an older device, particularly one over 4 years old, be aware that these devices show 3 times higher camera failure rates. Hardware limitations and outdated drivers can significantly impact camera functionality. These advanced troubleshooting steps address the most common hardware and storage-related camera issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, the issue may require device-specific support or hardware replacement.